Alright, welcome back to the channel. Hey, we're doing a install video on my 2019. If you follow the channel, you've seen this bike, and I did do the Pro Beam upgrade to the turn signals. They turned out great. I really like them. Gives a little bit extra light because they got that clear light when they're running. So I do like them after the last install, and so far I'm liking them. So today we're going to install the tail light. Pro Beam tail light from Custom Dynamics. So right after the intro, we'll get right after it. All right, so we're gonna get this at the Pro Beam made by Custom Dynamics for a tail light. We're gonna get it put in. Shouldn't take very long to do. Just a Phillips screw, couple Phillips screws, put it in, take it out. Let's go ahead and turn it on. We'll see what it looks like beforehand. And so it's bright, but not as bright as I would really like. And I think with the LEDs, it's going to make it a lot better. All right, we're going to get this Pro Beam tail light put in, made by Custom Dynamics. Yes, I did purchase this. It's not been given to me. But we're going to get it taken out of the package here. It's going to be a pretty simple install, couple screws. You got the light, of course. Got instructions. It's just a written instructions, no photographs or nothing, but it's in detailed instructions here. How to take it off, couple screws. Then you get a new gasket, of course. Get a new gasket for the tail light, and you get two new gaskets for your screws. So let's get the old tail light taken out. You can do this with a screwdriver. One came out. Looks like all the screws came out. Take it, unplug it. Pretty simple. Now let me find the screws that fell out. There they are. All right. So now we're just going to install the other new light in there. It's pretty simple. Two couple screws. It's in and out. Take the gasket out. New gasket's going to go on just like that. So let's get this unwrapped. Get the screws taken out of here. Got some adhesive tape on it. Take that off. We'll get it stuck around there. It's in there. So it goes on pretty simple. Not hard to do. Put it in there just like that. Now I probably will tighten this up by hand. That way I make sure I don't crack the lens on it. Go ahead and get the little rubber. Got these little rubber grommets that go on your screws. Washers, whatever you want to call them. Will help seal them. Now we're going to re-plug it back in. The plug only goes in one way. So get it plugged in and get it put on. Get it put in. Get it set in there. Get the first screw started here. There we go. Get that one started. Tightened up to it's pretty snug. Okay, that's pretty snug right there. So I think it's got a little bit better look. This is a low profile tail light. So we'll turn it on, see what it looks like. So you could tell, I don't know what the video is going to show, but tail light looks a lot brighter and a little bit more sleek to the back of the bike. And they'll see you. We'll go ahead and hit the tail light. That's the easiest thing to do. It's kind of like the front bulbs. They was real easy. This one is easy install too. But if I check out Custom Dynamics and the Pro Beam stuff, I think it's really good, really bright, and I'm really liking it so far. So, but we do have another install coming up on this bike. We'll get it done, some more lighting on it, and if everybody likes what we're doing, please subscribe to our channel, like it, hit the notification bell, and keep the rubber side down and the shiny side up.